owls have a secret superpower that almost no other bird has. They can fly almost completely silent. If an owl flies right past you at night, you might not hear a single sound. But how do they do that? First, their wings are huge compared to their bodies. Big wings mean they don't need to flap often, so there's less noise in the air. Second, the front edges of their wings have tiny comb-like feathers that break the air into smaller streams. This reduces the whoosh sound you hear from other birds. All these features help owls sneak up on their prey without being detected. A perfect design for a night hunter. Share, and subscribe for more amazing facts.